Oh my goodness, guys. Are you seeing this? We are currently cruising through the most vibrant, glowing, and absolutely mesmerizing city I've ever seen at night. This is World Phu Quoc, and tonight we're ditching the walking shoes for this awesome electric buggy. Trust me, you do not want to blink, because every corner we turn is a brand new world of color. Let's go. So why the buggy? Grand World is huge. It's literally called the Sleepless City, and seeing it by buggy is like being on a private parade float. Look at these light installations. One of the most eye-catching parts of Grand World is its Venice-inspired architecture. Colorful buildings line the streets. There are bridges, canals, decorative facades, and beautiful, illuminated spaces. At night, everything becomes even more dramatic. The lights reflect across the water. The buildings glow in different colors. And everywhere you look, there is another photo opportunity. As the buggy moves forward, the scenery keeps changing. One moment, we are passing through a brightly lit street. Then suddenly, we enter another area with completely different decorations. It feels like Grand World has something new waiting around every corner. Okay, I can smell the deliciousness from here. Look at all these roadside stalls. From fresh Vietnamese seafood to those famous rolled ice creams, the energy here is just electric. Even the shops stay open late, glowing like little jewels along the road. There are plenty of places where you can stop and browse. The whole area feels alive. People are shopping, families are walking around, tourists are taking photos, and everyone seems to be enjoying the evening. Grand World Night Market has more than 130 stalls covering food, souvenirs, fashion, and other goods, with local seafood and Phu Quoc specialties being some of the major attractions. As we continue our buggy ride, the crowds get bigger. The streets become more energetic. The buggy gives us the perfect view because we can see everything happening around us while continuing to move through the different sections of Grand World. It almost feels like a moving sightseeing tour. This is why Grand World is so different from visiting during the daytime. It really lives up to its nickname, the Sleepless Festival City. What an absolute dream! Navigating Grand World by buggy at night is hands down the best way to experience the magic of Phu Quoc. My heart is still full of wonder. If you could visit any of these zones, which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this glowing tour. See you in the next adventure.